If you have wavy or straight hair, I'm going to give you some haircut and hairstyle inspiration. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very popular hairstyle that you're going to see people rocking a lot in 2018. I'm here today at Jack the Clipper in Bow Lane with music producer and model Jeff and stylist Apo. After a quick hair wash and shampoo and a naughty little focus pull, it's time to get down to business. Stylist Apo creates a neat fade. We're going for a skin fade up to a 3 on the sides and round the back. The measurements on top are 6 inches. As the hairstyle is going to be the slickest of slickbacks, we don't want to take too much length off the top of the haircut. So we eliminate just a pinch, leaving it nice and long. As you can see, it now falls really nicely. Feel free to adjust the measurements so you can find a hairstyle you're happy with. I know everyone watching this right now is so confused with the fire. Allow me to explain. The fire burns the tiny hairs off the ears. I've had this done before and you don't really feel a thing. After rinsing out the loose pieces of hair, it's time for everybody's favourite part of the video, the styling process. Jeff has very straight hair, as you've probably seen, so there isn't that much to do with the blow drying process. With a brush and hot air, we create volume. And for the product, we're going to use a pomade to get a wet look finish. And there you go guys, let me know in the comments section down below, what is your favourite part of getting your haircut? Is it the blade going down the back of your neck, or is it the creation of a new fresh fade? Also tell me what you thought of Jeff's new hairstyle. If there's any specific hairstyles you'd like to see next on the channel, shout them out. And I'll see everybody in my next video. I am Jack Daniels.